What's up with it, Locked In Film? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today marks week 8. Man, it's already week 8 of growing my beard with the Minoxidil, so without further ado, let's get into these results. Let y'all see everything, get up close and personal. I know y'all can see that growth coming in, all the vellus hairs growing in on the side, on the cheek, you know what I'm saying? Even filling in right here, that's growing in real good up here, you know. My little soul patches growing longer and widening out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? My mustache, come a little closer. All vellus right here. Check it out, check it out. Don't mind that crust right there. That's just a little dry skin. But yeah, all the vellus hairs coming in on the side. You know what I mean? Underneath the neck. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? All of this is getting thick. And I got a lot of hairs growing under here. This is basically connected. It's just, you know, it look a little patchy because the hairs that's darker and thicker are growing in faster, you know what I'm saying, around the vellus hairs. But it's starting to connect. This side is my weak side. But we getting there, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all see the vellus hairs crawling across the face. It's getting there, and it's real light, but there's some in this area too on both sides. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, man, it's coming together. Mustache is getting crazy. It's starting to curl out and everything. But yeah, the results is coming in. I cannot complain about Minoxidil. It is working fairly quick, you know what I'm saying? This is only 8 weeks, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, in 8 weeks, I'm able to get all this. I can only imagine. Matter of fact, let me go and put some water in my hand. I got the water bottle right here so y'all can really see. You know what I'm saying? Let me bring y'all close so y'all can see that. Yeah. There you go. You know what I mean? So when I pull them down, y'all can see them real good. You know, so they there. And they all the way up here. I know y'all see that right there. They all up here, you know. So when I stop pulling on my face, they kind of go away. But the same for the other side, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging, you know what I mean? I know y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Results on the cheek, you know what I'm saying? And that's the main spot that make the beard look the fullest is, you know, on the cheeks and all underneath here. Once it start growing, you know what I mean? But if you ain't got nothing on your cheeks, then, you know what I'm saying, you really can't call it a beard. Maybe a chin strap, you know what I'm saying? But we don't want the chin strap because all the beard shaped this up and made it look like that. But I want the beard. And as far as everything else, you know what I'm saying, the connectors are doing pretty good. They basically connected, you know what I mean? This is probably a little patchy right up in here, but it's hair there. They touching each other, so we can go on and say it's pretty much connected, you know. If I sit back, if I brushed it down and sat back, you know what I'm saying, y'all really couldn't tell the difference. But this side is most definitely the weak side, that little spot right there. But like I said, it's hair there. And once my mustache keep growing, look, I can pull the hair down into it. So, and that side really don't need it. But yeah, the connectors is there. Everything is basically on time, to be honest. It's actually moving a lot faster than I thought it was gonna be. And updates to products I have coming in. I have the Jamaican black castor oil coming in. It should be in like tomorrow, I think, from Amazon. And I also have this new beard brush and comb, you know, that I just got sent in from Amazon. This is what it's called. About to have that Viking beard, you feel me? But let me go and get this open for y'all so y'all can see what it look like. Okay, fam, so this is what all comes in this box right here, you know what I'm saying? I just got it open. But first and foremost, they give you like a little welcome sticker. Yeah, I'm sure my kids will love that or whatever. But here go the brush. It says that the brush is made from beechwood boar bristles, you know what I'm saying? And the comb, I can't leave y'all hanging, you know what I mean? I gotta give y'all the comb. Wooden comb, you know what I'm saying? There you go, you know what I'm saying? And the comb is made of pure wood, you know what I'm saying? So it's a pure wood beard comb. You know, I ain't really ready for the comb yet. I think I could probably, okay, well, never mind. I can use it under there, the goatee. It's connected with the goatee, you see what I'm saying? And it's wood, so it's natural products, you know what I mean? So it ain't gonna do you no harm or anything like that. You ain't gotta worry about no chemicals or anything like that. It's just a wood comb made from pure wood, so whatever that is, you know what I mean? Look that up. It also came with some grooming scissors, you know what I mean? real small grooming scissors, you know, to keep the beard in line once it start growing. Keep in mind that most of this stuff I'm probably not gonna really use other than this brush until my beard get like real full, you know what I'm saying? Because I have a comb, you know what I mean, and I probably ain't gonna use this until it get, you know, real long. Because really right now, my goatee, all it need is a good beard brush, that's all. But anyways, fam, I still been applying my Minoxidil twice a day, once in the morning when I wake up and right before I go to bed. I still been washing my face, and mainly I wash it every day because I go to the gym and I be sweating and stuff like that. So I wash it once in the morning with the morning wash, and then at night I use the evening cleanse, you know what I'm saying? So all clean and clear products. And I also have the apricot exfoliation cleanser, you know what I'm saying? That way you can get all that sandy stuff on your face and get all the dirt off, you know what I mean? But I use that every blue moon. I mainly use the clean and clear morning and evening wash, you know what I mean? But hey, it's keeping my face clean, it's keeping the results coming in. I still do my derma rolling every Tuesday and Friday. So I'm keeping it, you know, nicely spaced apart, but making sure I get it in twice a week, you feel me? Because I want the max results. I really want this to come along. I'm in it for the long haul. I'm not really tripping about super fast results, but hey, it ain't gonna hurt nothing if they come in a little quick, you know, and they've been doing their thing. I can't wait to see what it look like to have that, you know, that full beard look, you know what I'm saying, instead of all the underneath only, the chin strap look, which is cool, you know what I'm saying. I ain't tripping about the goatee, mustache and stuff. This is cool too, but if I want the beard, I gotta stick it out, you know what I mean? So hey, if y'all following along with this journey, man, go on and hit that like button and subscribe, man. Come on and join me here at Locked In with Trey. Hey, you never know what's gonna happen next, you feel me? Because we've been dropping bangers left and right, you know what I mean? So if y'all just now tuning in to Locked In with Trey, don't let this be your last time, man. Come on and join the family and let's rock out. But anyways, family, that is it for this video, and you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.